Hello everyone, today we're going to be discovering 12 moisturizers for combination to oily skin. If you are on a hunt of a good cleanser for yourself, being a combination to oily, then I have done a dedicated video on cleansers as well. So do check out that video. I will leave it down in my description, or else you can just hop onto my channel. That video is one of my recent posts. So why not jump into the moisturizers, because I have 12 different moisturizers to talk about, and I have reviewed most of the moisturizers on my channel in their dedicated review videos. So if you want to know the moisturizers and the products in depth, then you can hop onto those dedicated reviews as well. So let's get started and know these wonderful moisturizers made rightly for combination to oily skin. So the moisturizers can go like this, into a gel form, cream form, as well as moisturizers made for day, your night, and there are moisturizers which you can actually wear it any part of the day, being it day or being it night. When you are buying a moisturizer for yourself, being a combination to oily, you have to see the hydration level as well, but not overly hydrating moisturizer, because you already have your own sebum, your own oils to keep your skin hydrated. So you have to balance it out by not putting too heavy of a moisturizer, because then you may start having clogged pores. Then you may start having some small bumps, acne, pimples, and then leading to acne scars. So there are certain things which you should always keep in mind. And while showing you every single moisturizer, I will let you know how it works on me and how it is wonderfully made for combination to oily. First one, I'm going to show you a moisturizer, something where I started my moisturizer journey. And I was clueless about moisturizers altogether, how many different types of moisturizers are there and which one I should be buying. And for instance, I would say I didn't even knew that there is a concept called skin type, or you have an oily skin or a dry skin. So I was very zero in skincare. There was this point as well. The first up, a moisturizer which, like, this is the first moisturizer. Yes, I have used many, but to my liking and for my skin type, this has really done an amazing job, and this can be used as your night cream. Is the Garnier Skin Natural Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. It is inexpensive, easily available. Now this is made for people who are into their aging, or you want to use this product as an anti-aging product. You will see a major difference on your skin using this product. At least use it for 30 days or more. And if you constantly use this product, your skin will like it. This product is not super thick, super light. It is somewhere in between. So when you apply the moisturizer sinks into the skin, leaving a nice hydration on the skin. This product, it doesn't dry out your skin as well. Now I'm not going to get into the ingredient list of the moisturizer, because the ingredients list, I'm not a scientist, you're not a scientist, and you may not even understand what exactly I'm talking about, because I am talking in layman language. A normal buyer, अगर आप मार्केट या किसी दुकान में जाते तो आप ये क्रीम क्यों खरीदोगे, आपको ये क्यों चाहिए. This is on that understanding level I am making this video. बहुत easy understanding होगी यहाँ पे कि आपको समझ आएगा कि आप ये क्यों लेना चाहते हैं. और इसकी प्राइसिंग है 260 रुपीज़, तो काफ़ी बजट में आती है. अगर आपको एक एक्सटेंसिव रूटीन में एक नाइट क्रीम इंक्लूड करनी है और आपका बजट ज़्यादा नहीं है और आप हर महीने 2000 नहीं खर्च कर सकते, तो ये काम करेगी. ये आप दिन में भी पहन सकते हो, रात में भी पहन सकते हो, और ये ऑल इन वन मॉइस्चराइज़र है. इसने मेरे स्किन को काफ़ी इम्प्रूव भी किया है और काफ़ी करेक्शंस भी किए हैं. ये मॉइस्चराइज़र मैं लगाती थी, पर मुझे कभी रियलाइज़ नहीं हुआ कि एक मॉइस्चराइज़र इतना कुछ करता है स्किन के लिए, टिल द टाइम आई कुड सी विजिबल चेंजेस. एंड इस मॉइस्चराइज़र के साथ मैंने वो चेंजेस तब देखे हैं जब मैं और कोई मॉइस्चराइज़र इस्तेमाल नहीं करती थी, एंड आई यूज्ड टू यूज़ ओनली गार्नियर. So yes, if you are into your aging, this moisturizer is going to work on your skin, और काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है ये, और कॉम्बिनेशन टू ऑयली स्किन के लिए परफेक्ट बना है. फॉर इंस्टेंस, ये मॉइस्चराइज़र इवन ड्राई स्किन वाले लोग भी पसंद करेंगे, बिकॉज इसका हाइड्रेशन बहुत ही सटल और बहुत अच्छा सा है. हाँ, ड्राई स्किन पीपल में नॉट फील लॉन्ग हाइड्रेटेड, बट ऑयली स्किन के लिए परफेक्ट है. सिंस गार्नियर पे हमें इतना ट्रस्ट हो चुका था एंड आई वांटेड टू बाय अनदर मॉइस्चराइजर एंड वांटेड टू ऐड अ डे क्रीम बिकॉज तब तक हमारी एजुकेशन इतनी हो चुकी थी कि आई कुड इंट्रोड्यूस मोर प्रोडक्ट्स टू माई स्किन केयर रूटीन. So I thought, why not grab something from the same brand? So this is the Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream. ये डे क्रीम है, इसकी नाइट क्रीम भी आती है. अब मैं इसकी नाइट क्रीम नहीं दिखा रही आपको, नहीं तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, बट उसकी नाइट क्रीम भी बहुत अच्छी है. ये प्रोडक्ट मुझे खासकर मेरे समर्स के लिए बहुत पसंद है बिकॉज ये मेरे सीबम कंट्रोल करता है, दूसरा मेरे ऑयल्स को चेक में रखता है. ये प्रोडक्ट ड्राइंग हो सकता है विंटर्स में मेरे स्किन के लिए भी, बट इसने काफ़ी करेक्शंस एज वेल एज अनइवननेस मेरे स्किन से हटाई है. अगर मुझे एक्सेसिव टैनिंग हो जाए और मुझे कोई मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाना है बाद में अपनी स्किन को फिक्स करने के लिए, दिस इज़ द मॉइस्चराइज़र आई कैन गो फॉर. मेरे को इस मॉइस्चराइज़र से कभी भी कोई भी इरिटेशन या कोई भी रेडनेस नहीं हुई है एंड ऑल इन ऑल इसमें लेमन एक्सट्रैक्ट है, तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा वर्क करता है आपकी डेड स्किन रिमूविंग में. तो अगर आपको कोई हल्की सी मॉइस्चराइज़र चाहिए जो मैट टच दे फेस को, तो आप ये ले सकते हो. एक खास बात इस पर, एक और चीज़ ध्यान में रखें इसको लगाते वक्त कि आप तुरंत नहाने के बाद या फेस वॉश करने के बाद तुरंत इसे लगा लें, क्योंकि ये बहुत जल्दी से ड्राई हो जाती है और कभी अगर आपने ठीक से नहीं लगाया तो एक वाइट सा कास्ट रह जाता है चेहरे पर. तो बेस्ट वे आई यूज इट इज दैट आफ्टर बाथ आई विल इमीडिएटली पुट इट ऑन हैंड, डू नॉट रब टू मच, डायरेक्टली अपने फेस पे लगा लीजिए और ये काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाती है. सो देयर वॉज दिस वन पॉइंट, सो मैंने मेंशन कर दिया है. अगर आप लगाएं और आपको लगे कि ओ माय गॉड ये क्या हुआ, तो इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक यू हैव टू बी रियली क्विक, डू नॉट रब विद द प्रोडक्ट टू मच. बट काफ़ी अच्छी है, काफ़ी काम करती है एंड इट विल इवन वर्क ऑन योर एक्ने स्कार्स. येस, इट वर्क्स ऑन द एक्ने स्कार्स एज वेल. सो मुझे काफ़ी पिंपल मार्क्स होते थे पहले किसी ज़माने में, बट इस मॉइस्चराइज़र ने काफ़ी मदद की है उन मार्क्स से मुझे निजात दिलाने में. सो येस, इट वर्क्स. Moving on to another moisturizer, one of my favorite and again something very inexpensive, and मैंने इसके कितने डब्बे ख़त्म कर दिए हैं, oh my god, इनका कोई काउंट नहीं है. ये है इंडस वाली की डी पिगमेंटेशन जेल. नाउ मैं इसको पिगमेंटेशन के लिए तो यूज़ नहीं करती, आई यूज़ इट जस्ट लाइक अ नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइज़र, बट इट इज़ इनटू अ जेल फॉर्मेट. ये काफ़ी हाइड्रेटिंग भी है. दूसरा, ये आप किसी भी वेदर में पहन सकते हो. ये सिर्फ आपके पिगमेंटेशन पे ही नहीं, आपके ब्लेमिशेस पे भी काम करता है. और दूसरा, अगर आपको थोड़ी बहुत टेक्सचरिंग है तो आई हैव सीन दिस फिक्सिंग द टेक्सचरिंग ऑल्सो. सो यू आर गेटिंग अ लॉट विद दिस मॉइस्चराइजर बीइंग द कॉम्बिनेशन टू ऑयली. एंड व्हाई डू आई लाइक इट फॉर माई स्किन टाइप? बिकॉज ये जेल फॉर्मेट में है, पोर्स को क्लॉग नहीं करता, हैवी फील नहीं कराता. दूसरा, आपको पूरे दिन में क्रीसी नहीं फीलिंग देता आपके स्किन पर. बिकॉज सबसे मेजर इशू ये हो जाता है कि समर्स में अगर आप कोई मॉइस्चराइजर लगाएं तो आफ्टर 15 मिनट यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग ऑयली एंड क्रीसी एंड टैकी, बट दिस वन डजंट डू दैट. ये आप अपने स्किन केयर में रोज इंक्लूड कर लो. 30 days में you will see a major difference. If you are suffering from pigmentation, then this is going to work its magic. So yes, another wonderful moisturizer for combination to oily. Moving on to an expensive moisturizer, something I have used tubs and tubs, is the Face Shop Chia Seed Hydro Cream. इसकी पैकेजिंग चेंज कर दी है फेस शॉप ने, बट ये पुरानी वाली ही चिया सीड मॉइस्चराइज़र है. ये मैंने आपको एक हॉल में भी दिखाई थी. ये मॉइस्चराइज़र एक ऐसी मॉइस्चराइज़र है जो पूरे फेस शॉप लाइन में मुझे कॉम्बिनेशन ऑयली स्किन के लिए परफेक्ट लगी, क्योंकि पहले तो ये क्रीम फॉर्मेट में है, दूसरा ये हैवी नहीं है. यू कैन यूज दिस मॉइस्चराइज़र एज योर डे एज वेल एज योर नाइट क्रीम. यू कैन actually see a major difference in your skin within the application of the moisturizer for 1 week. Yes, ब्राइटनेस दिखेगी, स्किन रेजुवेनेटेड भी दिखेगी, एंड अगर आपको थोड़ी बहुत ब्लेमिशेस हैं तो आपको लगेगा कि थोड़ा करेक्शन हुआ है स्किन पर. एंड इफ़ यू हैव टेक्सचर्ड स्किन, दिस मॉइस्चराइजर can give you nice hydration and fix that texturing with re-texturing it. So yes, this moisturizer works in many different ways for combination to oily skin. If you have a lot going on in your skin, you have cystic acne or pimples and you have many things, then I would say do not buy this one, because then you may start feeling a little heavy. Since my skin doesn't have all those issues, I like it for my skin. So if you have a clear skin and you want to invest in more of a advanced moisturizer, a more expensive moisturizer, then this is the one to go for. Moving on to another moisturizer, something again, a new moisturizer. I did bought this last year. I did a complete review. This moisturizer can only work in your summers, not made for winters. Is the Good Vibes Tea Tree Gel. ये प्रोडक्ट आपके फेस पर ऑयल आने ही नहीं देगा. ये कुछ इस तरीके का प्रोडक्ट है कि यू विल नॉट फील हाइड्रेशन बट यू विल नॉट फील ड्राइंग. यू विल नॉट फील कि आपने मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाई है. तो अगर आपको वो फील ही नहीं चाहिए ऑल टुगेदर कि आपने कुछ लगाया है अपने चेहरे पर, देन दिस इज़ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन. येस, आई स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट इन विंटर्स, बट अब मैं इसे वापस से लगा रही हूँ और आप देख रहे हो कि कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत ही बचा हुआ है. एंड आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग टू बाय इट अगेन. टी ट्री इसका मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है, विच इज़ वेल मेड इंग्रेडिएंट फॉर कॉम्बिनेशन टू ऑयली स्किन. अगर किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में टी ट्री है तो बी रेस्ट अश्योर्ड यू विल गेट अ लिटिल dryness in the product. So being a combination to oily, you already have a lot of oils. A product like this, when laid on the skin, you have your own hydration, but this product will keep your acne in check. अगर आपको छोटे मोटे बम्स भी आ रहे हैं, अगर आपने ऐसा कोई मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लिया है, तो this moisturizer instantly starts drying out your acne as well and keeping your sebum in control. So yes, this is a light moisturizer, well made for combination to oily skin and my personal favorite, and this will cost you only 175 rupees. So हुई ना अच्छी बात, inexpensive, wonderfully done for summers and humid weathers, and you get more options to choose from. For that matter, इस brand के इस gel format में there is another one, orange one. That one is also really nice. But since I am making this video for combination to oily, I picked up only tea tree, but इसका orange भी अच्छा है. So अगर आपको कुछ light हल्का सा चाहिए तो this is the one to go for. So since we are already talking about some light moisturizer, why not talk about another light moisturizer which is again very inexpensive and something which I have been enjoying lately is the Simple Daily Skin Detox Ultra Light Liquid Moisturizer. And this will give you 24 hours hydration and instant matte effect. Now it is a very cute bottle. It will cost you 199. It is very liquidy, creamy, and ये moisturizer ultra light है जैसा कि brand कहता है, और ये बना ही oily skin के लिए है. तो अगर आपको moisturizer लगाना है and you just want to go out and do not want to feel heavy and tacky, then just apply this. It does not give you that matteness on the skin, but definitely nothing is sitting on your skin. So after your cleansing, you can apply a toner and then just go in with your moisturizer and you're good to go. It does give you a nice hydration. I have been wearing this constantly, reason being it is light and I want to feel as light as I can in my summers, and this will not give you any kind of breakouts as well. Now it is for blemish prone as well as oily skin. So अगर आप इसे constantly use करते रहेंगे तो it will help you to work on your blemishes as well as your acne. एक और चीज़ ध्यान में रखें, जो blemishes just do not go overnight. अगर आपने कोई प्रोडक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया है तो उसके साथ जो बाकी के प्रोडक्ट्स आप लगाते हो उस पर भी ध्यान दें. दूसरा, blemishes take time to reduce or go away. Go away is like the last resort, but reduction will start only after 20-30 days, not before that, because 20-30 days your skin adapts the products and the working process start, and then you start seeing the actual corrected skin after 30-40 days. So yes, again a wonderful option for combination to oily by Simple. Moving on to another wonderful moisturizer, something which I have used in a huge tub, but I do not have a huge tub anymore because I have finished it long time back. But I have the smallest version with me, is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Cream. Now this whole range actually can work wonderful for all skin type. It is definitely well made for everyone. This is one product which I can blindly recommend to anyone with any skin type. Talking about the moisturizer, main ingredient इसमें green tea seed है, और हाँ ये आपके blemishes, anti-aging for that matter आपको skin reviving में help करता है. इसका भी texture कुछ creamy सा है. Again something I use not so often because बहुत छोटी रब है. I use it once in blue moon, but something which I have enjoyed in the past. Why I like it? It is creamy, it is not heavy on the skin, and if you start feeling heavy with this product in the morning, then I would highly recommend you using this product only as a night cream. वैसे ये सारे moisturizers are made for all day. You can use it in the day as well as in the night. But if you're over excessively oily, where there is no end to oils, then I would suggest you to use it as your night cream, because you don't want to dehydrate your skin for 8 hours. Instead, apply a good moisturizer and then you are good to go for the next day with some lighter moisturizers. Again, something well done by Innisfree for combination to oily as well as all skin types. The next moisturizer, I do not have it physically in my hand because I did bought it. It's just that I went on chutti, I was using it and I left it at my place itself. Is the Himalaya Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. Something again well made for all skin type, and I personally love it for my skin texture because oily hair, so I need something well sitting but not sitting in a weighing manner where I put my hand and the moisturizer comes on my hand. That will cost you 250 rupees. It soaks up into the skin really well and it is very close to my Garnier Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This and that one both work absolutely wonderful for my skin. I have used tubs and tubs of it. If you are into your aging and you want to introduce a product which can work on your anti-aging, and simultaneously if you have aged and you want to work on your wrinkles, then you can introduce a Himalaya Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. Again, it is a very not so hyped product, but it works absolutely well onto my kind of skin. So if you're looking for an anti-aging moisturizer which is made for combination to oily skin, then you should be looking for the Himalaya one because that's really well done. You can wear that moisturizer in your summers, in your winters, and you will love it. Though I would say Garnier one can get a little more hydrating in summers, but the Himalaya one can work in all weathers without over hydrating your skin. And this is one point which you should keep in mind whenever you are buying a moisturizer, that it should not over hydrate your skin, because when you get over hydration, then also problems starts occur. Like you will start getting your pimples, you'll start getting your acne because of over hydration. So do not buy products which would overhydrate your skin. You just need the right amount. You do not need anything extra because more can destroy your skin. Moving on to another lovely moisturizer, and something which I feel is made differently, is the Plum Green Tea Night Reviving Gel. Now this will clarify your skin and give you more of a rejuvenated skin. It does not have a lot of anti-aging properties, but it can give you more of, as I said, rejuvenated skin. You need products like this in your skincare routine. It's not always about hydration or anti-aging properties, but skin reviving as well. Now this night gel by Plum, I do not use it in the night, I instead use it in the day, and most of the time in summers I like using this moisturizer underneath my makeup as well. Reason only being one, that it definitely controls the oil in the face. Yes, there are nights initially when I bought this product, I was using it and it morning में I never used to see anything on my face. It used to be squeaky dry, and then I realized no, it is not made for night, it is made for day, for oily skin. So if you're a combination to oily and you want something to control your oils and still give you nice moisturization and hydration, this is the one to go for by Plum. So they should change the name of the gel and make it as more of a day reviving gel, and it is really well done. Again, the formula is into a gel format, very light, just sinks into the skin, melts into the skin, and give you that nice revived and more of a clarified skin. So yes, anything you're looking like this for, Plum has done it. Moving on to the second last moisturizer, and a moisturizer by one of my favorite brands as well, Wow Skin Science India. Yes, you heard me right. It's here finally, because you must be thinking she has not mentioned a single product from her favorite brand, but I was keeping the best for the last. This is the Wow Aloe Vera Multivitamin Face Cream. Again, one of the best moisturizers I've used past year. Oh my god, this is like more of a, as the name says, multivitamin with aloe vera. You get so much with this moisturizer. Like if you just want to give that nice food to your skin, for your skin to work for its aging, for its wrinkles, and for reviving the skin, for retexturing the skin, or working on your blemishes, then you need something one in whole. Then this is the moisturizer you can go for. Again, which is something well made for day. Yes, you cannot be using this moisturizer in the night, because it is not like thick and extremely hydrating moisturizer. It is rightly made for day weather. So when you use this moisturizer, you do not come to know that you're using a moisturizer of a cream finish and it's not sitting on the skin, and then you can just go in with your sunscreen and you are done. So yes, again, something which I highly recommend, and I will definitely be repurchasing this soon, because I like to have good moisturizers, because I like to shift my skincare as well as introduce new products, some different products, and change up a bit things. So yes, soon I will be grabbing this one, and this one can work all weather. So you can wear it in winters, you can wear it in summers, and it will complement your skin type. So if you're a combination to oily and you want something all in one, this is the product to go for. Moving on to a night cream. This is by L'Oreal, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Night Cream. बहुत easily मिल जाएगी आपको ये Nykaa पे. Now I have used so many L'Oreal moisturizers, and I like their day cream as well for combination to oily. This one though is one of my favorite night creams, and I would say this is the only night cream I'm using. Yes, no, I would not say only. I'm using the Garnier one also. So these are the only two night creams I use, and this works absolutely wonderful for summers and winters. Not so thick. It doesn't sit in a weight manner on the skin. It just blends into the skin and just give you that nice soft and supple skin in the morning. Again, this is a moisturizer which will prep your skin for next day and keeping it as well hydrated, and you can just go in with a light moisturizer the next morning and you are good to go. Introduce products like these because a night cream does play a very important role. This product can actually be layered on your facial oils as well, and you will still not feel heavy with the moisturizer, being a combination to oily skin. So yes, this is another favorite of mine and a well-made product for combination to oily, and I would say this moisturizer can be used by any skin type. And now we are down to the last moisturizer, and something pretty new, but I have been constantly using this moisturizer and very newly done in the concept, I would say. It's something I have never seen any brand doing, because after reading the name itself you will feel so, is this Color Bar Blue Light Defense Luminous Moisturizing Cream. ये ब्लू लाइट पढ़ के ही मैंने ये खरीद लिया था, बिकॉज इतना तो नॉलेज है मुझे अबाउट द ब्लू लाइट्स, बट आई वाज लाइक ओके दिस मॉइस्चराइजर इज गोइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट मी फ्रॉम ऑल द ब्लू लाइट्स विच आई सी लाइक माई फोन, माई laptop, my TV, normal lights. So we have a habit of keeping our face near to the screens a lot. So I thought this moisturizer is going to revive my skin from this. So this is what my understanding was when I was buying this product. Now let's see what this product has to say, because I've not read anything on this. This multifunctional cream instantly hydrates, repairs and protects your modern skin from premature signs of aging, loss of elasticity and dehydration caused by blue light exposure. Yes, so I was right. Okay, a little bit of right, I would say. So basically when we see these lights a lot, or maybe we are exposed to so much of artificial, or I would say these phone lights and whatnot, so our skin tends to get damaged and we do not realize it. So this kind of a moisturizer helps in maintaining the elasticity and keeping it more hydrated and revived, and simultaneously working on our anti-aging as well. This moisturizer is super light on the skin. It is into a creamy form, but sometimes I feel it is more of a jelly form, and it just melts into the skin and give me that nice softness. The other thing which I noticed about this moisturizer in winters was not best suited for winters, it is best suited for summers, because winters where you may start feeling a little dry with the product, but summers के लिए तो perfect है. And combination to oily के लिए summers में एक अच्छी moisturizer मिलना बहुत difficult हो जाता है, and this one definitely fits in the weather as well as my skin type. So if you're looking for something like this, a really different product altogether, something well done by the brand, and I have been using it. I will soon repurchase it because I'm loving it. So जैसे ये खत्म हो जाएगी, I will soon be buying one more for myself. So if you want something light, something really protects your skin, then you should be eyeing that one by Colorbar. Earlier I didn't know which one to buy for my skin type, but now I gave you 12 different options to choose from day to night. Do introduce a good moisturizer in your skincare routine. If you're not into day and night, just buy one, use it 2 times to keep your skin hydrated and working on your anti-aging, elasticity, your skin reviving and giving you more of a clarified and rejuvenated skin. Moisturizers do play a very important role keeping your skin smooth and supple. I will be here soon with some more interesting videos, some more interesting recommendations. If you have anything in mind, do leave it down through your comments. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @Branzingi. Every single product will be linked in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. But without any second thoughts, you can grab any of the moisturizers I happen to show you in this video, being a combination to oily skin. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.